sat under the dryer for this part before, but I like it. Oh, y'all, get ready for takeoff. Okay, y'all, so I just got from under the dryer. That wasn't a bad dryer. Y'all know we hate the dryer when we go to the hair salon. It's so hot, so uncomfortable, but that's not bad. Okay, so here is my wig. Say hi, introduce yourself.
Japan Styles on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, and I'm about to slay my boo.
Yes.
Ashley. Right now I'm putting the wig on this canvas block head so I can be able to get the hair straight and be able to pre-style it. And also I already took like an assessment of her hairline to make sure how I want to customize it. It's already been previously customized, but I wanted to make sure that it's going to look exactly like her hair and make sure that it's undertaken. So I'll be ready.
Yes! And y'all, Japan Styles is located in Dallas. Like, a blessing. A blessing. There's a bomb Dallas stylist, but I say a blessing because he was gonna leave me. He was gonna move to Atlanta, and I was like, but like, why though? I know why, but like, why? Because we've been trying to get together since like what, March?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm following you on YouTube before.
And he reached out to me and he was like, why didn't I know you were in Dallas? And I'm like, okay, so why didn't I know that you were in Dallas?
And
what are you doing?
I found out because you had did a vlog and you and your friends, y'all went uptown.
Yep.
Y'all went to a club uptown and you was just like, why did we arrive here early and where are all the people at? It was like uptown. It was a long time ago. So then I was like, when I went to your Instagram, I said, wait a minute. I'm like, oh my God, I followed her on YouTube.
Yes.
Listen, the rest was history.
God's plan. God's plan. We're gonna head over, ironically, to Japan's Instagram.
So what? I did this sat already in Sunday here. I love you. Maybe but not Sunday, baby. Sure.
Okay, we're doing
I
a
love you,
middle
sister.
part.
I said, there you go.
Okay, this is our inspiration.
Okay.
Knew exactly what I was referring to. Do you find that clients like come to you for this and don't realize how high maintenance it is, and then they contact you like, what do I do?
Like a few days after?
Yeah.
Yeah, I always tell people too, when you're getting a lace frontal, anything lace, you have to take in consideration that it's gonna require maintenance.
Right.
Some people say, okay, you know, if you're a frequent like lace wearer, then you could kind of get away with, you know, keeping it up yourself until your next appointment. But if it's your first time around, I always tell people to consult with their stylist. Yeah. Make sure that they are getting all the necessary instructions on how to maintain, what to do, what not to do. At-home care is the main thing that works really, really good when you're getting a frontal, simply because if it's your first time around and your stylist is telling you, okay, I'm just putting it on, then you put a silk scarf on, and then you start to see like, oh my God, my lace is starting to like look darker. It's not like looking as natural as it did on the first day. When silk scarves on laces are really, really bad, you should always wear cotton. Never wear silk, because silk is going to pick up any oils, any makeup residue, anything like overnight, all of that.
That's what's been happening.
And it causes the lace to lift really, really fast.
Gotcha.
Even if you're using like a water-based adhesive like Bold Hold or like Ghost Bond or anything like those are water-based adhesives. And then if you use more so like a walker's tape. Yeah, like a walker's tape, which is a more stronger bond. Yeah. But I always tell people walker's tape and stuff like that, I feel like those are a little bit more professional grade adhesives versus Ghost Bond and Bold Hold and like Phantom Hold and all kinds of. I feel like those are the type of adhesives that are like beginner friendly.
Ooh guys, look, it looks so sleek. Focus camera, there we go. Ooh, can't wait to see what it looks like. Oh, Alright guys, for the install portion, I'm actually going to be taking it from here via voiceover. So here you see my stylist, Japan Styles, applying the lace glue adhesive. Now, one of the many things that I love about Japan Styles is that he has actually formulated his own lace glue, which is what you see him applying. And he puts it more so on the cap and the perimeter, but behind the hairline as much as he possibly can, of course, depending on your hairline. And then he applies the wig without cutting the lace off. And after he cuts the lace, in the next clip he's going to sew the wig down in the back just for added security. But after he cuts the lace, he applies a lace glue that isn't as intense as the glue that he's formulated. And the reason for doing that is so his client's edges aren't ripped out. So, you know, on a serious note, I do have mild alopecia, which causes me to lose hair over time, which is why at one point it may look like, if you go look at older videos, oh, it looks like, you know, you had full edges, so what's going on? You lose hair over time. I've experienced it in my perimeter, and then just the thickness of my hair isn't what it used to be of my natural hair, which is why I stopped getting relaxers. I kind of see it a little bit in my brows and then my eyelashes. It just is what it is, but I like to get frontal installs and enjoy them just as much as the necks, just for the versatility and the different hair colors, the different lengths, the different styles. So I really appreciate him taking that extra step to protect his client's hairline and his client's edges, because that's something that matters to me. So I'm glad that it matters to him as well. So I cannot tell you guys how many times I've had my frontal hot combed and I still squirm and flinch. It's not something that I'm probably ever going to get used to, but it gets it laid. So he just tied my frontal down after he applied both of the adhesives, and now he's just going to section off my baby hair. So, excuse me, unfortunately my frontal was a bit over plucked. You know, it was like right there where I'm just like, I think this may be a little too much, but Japan is a great stylist, so, you know, he was like, it's no problem, we're just gonna, you know, really finesse these baby hairs, and that's exactly what he did. I would say on a regular basis I don't see myself getting as many or as much baby hair as you see here. And what I really appreciate about Japan is he's known for installs, frontal installs specifically, with no baby hairs. He can get that laid so good that you don't even need baby hairs to hide the lace. He is like the first stylist in Dallas that has come up with that. So I really appreciate that about him. You know, we love a groundbreaking stylist over here, okay? So he's just tying down my baby hairs after molding them with the styling foam. And now we're moving into the styling portion of the hair. So he's gonna curl my hair with a really big barreled curling iron. I wanted those very loose, playful, bombshell, effortless, you know, kind of like curls in my hair. I didn't really want anything too va-va-voom because I was going to get on a plane and go to Vegas literally the next day. So I was going to just style my hair the next day. So he's just combing through those baby hairs to make them softer, combing through the hair, and that is it. It's safe to say between Lace by Mo and Japan Styles, I am good. I am good. So the end result was absolutely positively beautiful. You're about to see me feeling myself, okay? Like, not to mention, if you watch my most recent Vegas vlog, this is the wig that I sky jumped in 855 feet, 107 stories. I also went to a pool party in this wig, and I was in 105-degree weather. It is sweat proof, it is waterproof, and it is bungee jump proof. Get into it.
You have to flip it over to the side. Show them that you can be versatile with it. Okay.